This time on the Driver's Corner, we're going to talk about hail damage on the Corvette. Stay tuned. So I haven't put a video up in about 2 weeks because I've been dealing with the insurance company on my 1997 Corvette. Most of them came out unscathed, but the Corvette took a pounding. And since then, I have kind of been in a little bit of an argument with the insurance company about the car. So despite the fact that my car is a 1997, my car does have 196,000 miles. It's in good shape. I mean, it's not perfect. There are some areas that have seen some wear and tear that I was more than happy to accept were old damage. Let me see if I can find one. Okay, there's a little crack in the hood right there. A couple little stress fractures there. I had a couple areas that had been touched up. One more here on the roof. And I don't know what the heck that is, but that right there. Additionally, on this side of the car, there was a scratch right here that after the storm, there was a huge clear coat bubble around. And I got clear coat damage, like big, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's a big round hail mark there. There's a puncture there on the roof and everywhere. Okay, so this is a round mark right there. And then I've got hundreds of these chips. You can see this one right here, how it's like an indent, like a smashed in area. Oh man. There are all of these marks and they are all over the entire car. Okay, all over the fenders, brand new marks, brand new. They're not these old ones. Look at this hole. So, like I said, I mean, there's hundreds of these chips all over my car. Look at this headlight. Oh, come on. Just, I mean, if you get close, here's one that I touched up right next to it. Brand new, brand new, brand new, brand new. Now, why am I kind of making a video bitching about this? Because as much as I would have liked to have had my car in the garage, the Porsche was in there and my boat's in there, which is about to come out and go to the storage area. But my car was in good shape. It took a chunk out of this trim right here. And because my car is so well documented on YouTube and on Instagram and everywhere else, I try to direct the insurance guy to take a look at some of my videos, like the video where I installed the Spoiler King spoiler and there was no giant clear coat damage there. But anyway, this is kind of what my conversation with the insurance adjuster went like. Yes, this is the Driver's Corner. I wanted to report a little bit of damage to my 1997 Corvette after the recent hailstorm.
Yes, Driver's Corner, this is your insurance agent, and just so you know, your car is really old and has a lot of miles, so chances are we're not gonna pay anything. Also, I'm a master of physics, and there's no way that there was damage to your paint by hail, because hail is round.
So long story short, I haven't figured out what's going to happen yet, but it appears that because they feel like my car is not perfect, they claim that there is no way that the damage that I showed you guys, all those marks and the round shaped smashes into my clear coat, could have happened from the hailstorm. They actually told me that it's impossible that happened. Impossible? Look at that. So I don't know what's going to happen. Potentially, they will let me get my car painted, take care of all these issues, because I know that if I leave it like this, that all those tiny little pock marks are going to end up becoming huge paint issues later, and they definitely weren't there before the hailstorm. Let me know what you guys think. If any of you guys are insurance guys, how would you guys have looked at this car, and considering the mileage, the age, and some of the paint issues that were there before that have been touched up, or those minor cracks on that side of the hood, what would you have done if you rocked up to my house and we're looking at this car? Please let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will keep you updated as to what happens with the Corvette. Thanks a bunch.